All right, that concludes our trip to Moonlight Off-Road. We're gonna put away our slime air compressor. Kind of bought it in a pinch. We were on the way out to Flat Nasty a couple of weekends ago, and 65 bucks, we bought it off. It'll air up the 31s on the truck and roughly 15 minutes from 20 PSI. Has these two alligator clamps right onto the battery. Comes in a nice case. But hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of off-roading video today. It was kind of short. We got some things to do this afternoon, but we're gonna wrap it up. Subscribe to the channel, like it, drop a comment below what you guys want to see next. But soon we're gonna be installing that tackle box. See you guys later.